these small water ports over here are totally gunked up because the head gasket failed, and it's gunked up with oil, water minerals. It hadn't been run on distilled water. It was run from borehole water with no antifreeze. Look at this little trick. I've got a syringe here, which I got from the pharmacy, and I clipped off there at my pinky. I clipped off the sharp end and make sure I disposed of that safely, and I filled this with engine cleaner I got from my uh, motor parts shop. And now I can use that in that water port to just very precisely squirt in engine cleaner over there to clean it out. So you might ask, why are you putting engine cleaner in your water ports? Well, I want to get rid of the oil and the mess, and I'm going to do a decent radiator engine flush in any case when this engine runs again, which means yes, there will be a bit of engine cleaner in there, but it will get rid of oil. It will get rid of some oil along with the sodium citrate, which I'll use to get rid of the oil deposits and mineral deposits, and that'll be flushed out again afterwards.